So I want to show this image only when users start sharing. So I'm going to create a local state called eSharing. So by default it's false. I need to import user state, and now what I can do from here, I can check the image if user sharing. I can do like this and move everything inside. We get this error because our component is a server component by default. We need to change it to client component. Just add a use client on top of your file and this will change to a client component. Yes, now you can see the start sharing button. Now we can add an on-click handle to our button to update set is sharing state. So whenever user click on the button, the set sharing will be toggled. So as you can see, now when you click, you see the eye. Now we can also switch the word stop and start sharing, just like we did with the icon. We can say start when user is not sharing, and when user is sharing, we can say stop sharing. Just like that.